Alright, so despite all the construction going on around us, we've got this filled up. Even though they said this was level, these aren't always, you know, made level. So we kind of had to push and kind of adjust this to where we got all of these running out equally. Now, the bad thing about this pump is it got broken when this fell over, when we first started piecing it together. So we have no control over the valve. So we're going to try to figure that out. But meanwhile, it is running over the pot. You can see it broke the pot handle, but that's okay. They gave it kind of a ceramic glued together look there. Anyway, this fountain right here was my mother's out of her yard, and then this blue pot fountain was mine. But the wind kept always blowing it out. It wouldn't hold water, so we remade it, and we went every other piece. And now we have a beautiful tall fountain, and it cost us, how much did it cost us? Mom's fountain was free. Ours had been bought probably 7 years ago. The pump came with her fountain, right?
No, it came with ours.
Oh, it came with our fountain. Oh, that's right. It was the pump that was down in there. Yeah, it's been going on like this all day. So when all the construction's kind of slowed down a little bit, we'll be able to enjoy it. But isn't that beautiful? 2 fountains. And now we have a beautiful water feature. I love it when water kind of swirls off of things and you know there's water moving around. So Mom's beautiful fleur-de-lis fountain, my homemade pot fountain. We just joined it all together. And we just have this beautiful fountain.
It looks pretty, the blue does.
Yeah, I'm wondering if I can put some seashells in this part.